how to use Boots Advantage Card online. Here's what you want to do. You want to go to the website or you use their mobile app and just add products to your cart first. So search for products which you want to purchase. So I'm just going to search for Armani here, and let's say that I want to purchase this item here. So I'll click on it, and then you will have this item added to your cart. Now you want to click on your cart. After you have clicked on your cart, you will be redirected to a screen like this, which is going to show you Advantage Card. You could turn on this order, log into your account. So basically what you want to do is sign into your account, which has the Advantage points on the card itself. And as a payment method here, if you click on checkout now, you will get the option to use it. So if I click on checkout as guest here and I continue, then from the payment section you will see Advantage points, and you can redeem your Advantage points that way. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.